Tired of clicking through cloud consoles? Meet infrastructure as code. Why do so many IT teams dread ClickOps? Manual setups are slow, risky, and impossible to scale. There's a better way. Let's talk CodeOps. Remember when building a server meant logging into a console, clicking around for hours, and hoping you didn't miss a step? That was ClickOps. Slow, error-prone, and a nightmare to repeat. Then came infrastructure as code, or IaC. Terraform Pulumi AWS CDK lets you describe your infrastructure in code, just like writing a recipe. No more guesswork. No more wait. What did I click last time? Why now? In today's world, every company wants deployments that are consistent, repeatable, and secure. With IaC, you can spin up hundreds of environments, all identical, all automated. Think of it like this. ClickOps is cooking without a recipe, sometimes tasty, sometimes burnt. But IaC? That's following a precise recipe every time. Fast, predictable, and scalable. And the future? Imagine AI taking your architecture diagram and generating your entire infrastructure as code in seconds.